Have you just gotten started in affiliate marketing, or maybe you've been doing it a while? However, you aren't getting the success that you want or the results you see others having. I get it, I was in that position too, and then I learned that there are actually 12 steps to success online, especially as an online affiliate marketer. And today I'm going to share with you the first of the 12 steps, the one that I believe is the foundation of success and probably the most important but least understood. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. In this video, I'm going to share the first step of my 12 steps to online success, the one that is the foundation. And well, I'm just going to say it, it's the one that is the most important to understand and get right. Now, I'll be going into each of the 12 steps in coming videos. However, I want to dedicate this video training to the first and the most important. And this first step is all about you. Now, before you click away and disregard this lesson, I want you to take in what this is all about. You see, when you first embark on your online journey, there are so many things to think about, to master. Things like your opt-in page, your autoresponder, your traffic, the list goes on. And these things tend to consume you. And that's where the problem starts. You invest all your time and effort into these mechanical aspects, which are all important and necessary, but you haven't spent the time on the one thing that will determine your success, you. And here's why you are so important to the success of your online journey. The first thing that you need to consider in directing the success of your online journey is your why. Why are you starting an online business in the first place? Now, that might sound like a trivial question, but let me tell you, if you haven't thought about your why and defined it in great detail, then you'll run into problems really quickly. Now, I don't want to scare or alarm you, but not knowing why you're building an online business is a massive mistake. When you're dealing with the reality of an online business, that is the struggles, the self-doubt, the hurdles, the times when you want to quit, it's the why that keeps you going. It's the power that recharges your batteries and keeps you moving forward. Without a why, that moves you, that motivates you, that empowers you, the chances are you'll just quit. It's a simple fact. Most people who start an online business quit within the first 12 months, and even more within the first 3 years. I still recall being in the audience at a conference in the US when I first got started, and a guy that I really look up to in the online space stood on stage and said something to the effect of, to be successful online, you just need to outlast your competition, and that isn't too hard because most will quit at the first hurdle. It really hit home to me because I certainly didn't want to be a quitter. So the rest of his presentation was something that I listened to intently because he had runs on the board. He was a multi-million-dollar business owner, and his name is Stu McLaren. So the first and probably most important part of your online success is understanding, defining, and dialing in on your why. The second part of why you are so important to your success online relates to your personality. Now, I'm not going to suggest you need to change your personality and make massive changes, otherwise it's all over for you. No, not at all. This part of step one is about understanding who you are, what makes you tick, where your strengths are, your weaknesses, and knowing how to manage them. Now, you might not have heard this described as an important part of your success before. However, if there is anything that I've learned from my experience and from that of the mentors that I've worked with and observed, is that knowing your personality is one way to get a massive head start on your competition. And what this means is taking a real look at your strengths and weaknesses. Where are you going to be strong and where are you going to be weak? Again, this is hard work. This is important work, and it's profitable work. Because I can tell you that knowing your strengths and weaknesses is a massive step forward. It enables you to know what you should be working on and what you should be outsourcing as soon as possible. Another of my mentors, and the guy that I credit with most of my success online, James Wedmore, he taught me all about this part of step one and why it's so important. Most people operate on the basis of have, do, be. That is, when they have the money, they'll do the things that a business owner should do and shouldn't do so they can be the CEO of their business in the way that successful business owners operate. Now, James taught me that it actually needs to be the other way around. Be, do, have. If you want to be the CEO of your business, to have the business that makes the money you want and gives you the time freedom that you wanted when you got started, you need to be the person, the CEO that you want to be, and do the things that you should be doing to have the business you want, and then you'll have the things that you want. By operating in the context of being the business owner that you want to be, before the dollars are where you want them to be, is the thing that will actually help you get there sooner and faster. And this is why knowing your strengths and weaknesses is so important. Because if you want to operate in the context of be, do, have, you need to outsource the work that you're not strong at and that doesn't pay you at the rate that you want to be paid. And do the things that you are good at and that will bring in the dollars you want. Without knowing your strengths and weaknesses, you can't make these adjustments. You can't operate at that higher level that you want and need to get the success that you want. Okay, look, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how you can set yourself for success by taking a look at you and what's important to you. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. Oh, and if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we're going to have a chat.